Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You know, especially during Chinese New Year, you also always have a lot of gai choy. Yeah, of course you will use it to make chai buey. But let's say you have some extra gai choy. This is what you can do. I'm going to make gai choy moon fan. Gai choy, the mustard green rice stew. Mustard green rice stew. Yeah. So I have some mustard green here cut into small chunks like this, and I try to use the stem more, yeah, the crispy bits. Then I have some this is shiitake mushroom, already rehydrated, yeah, and some lap chong, yeah, cut into small chunks, and also this is dried shrimp, yeah, dried shrimp, rinse and coarsely chopped. And we have some good amount of shallot here because we want to make some shallot oil to cook the rice, yeah. And of course, I have some rice here, washed and also soaked under water for about a couple of minutes. First of all, we want to make a bit of garlic oil here, yeah. Give it some 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to start with. Once the oil is heated up, you can put in the shallot, slice. We are actually making shallot oil. So we want to saute the shallot to brown it a little bit before we continue. Yeah? We'll come back shortly. This is after about 1 minute plus. You will start seeing some of the shallot started to brown. This is the time where we can actually, let me tune down the fire a bit. Put in the dried shrimp and also the sausage, lap chong, Chinese sausage, and shiitake mushroom, which is rehydrated. So you need to pre-soak it, yeah, until it is softened. Now we can raise the heat to medium high. Wow, super fragrant already. It is now super fragrant. I wish you can smell this. Smell of Chinese New Year. Don't know why every time when I smell of fried onion, I actually smell of Chinese New Year. Not to mention you add in the shiitake mushroom and also lap chong. Ooh, look at how beautiful it is. Look at it. Oh, see. Alright, so you brown it a little bit. And the oil, the fat from the lap chong itself will start releasing also, yeah. It will make this oil even more flavorful. Next thing, you are going to add in the gai choy. Give it a few stir, then we are going to tune down to low fire right now, as we are going to season this. First of all, I'm going to give it some light soya sauce. Okay, now it's on low fire, right? So you won't get burnt. Some salt, some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee, Malaysia or Singapore, or any Envied restaurant in Malaysia. And a little bit of the oyster, the mushroom water just now. I used to soak the mushroom, yeah, just a little bit. And I want to give it a bit of Shaoxing wine, optional. Now we can raise the heat a bit. This is super nice. So all this flavor is going to go into the rice later. Oh, I forget to add in some oyster sauce. A little bit of oyster sauce. Chinese cooking almost use oyster sauce on 80% of the dishes. Right. So this is ready. You can choose to add in the dark soy sauce if you like. Yeah, up to you. Maybe today I prefer it to be in slightly lighter in color. So this is ready. If you like, just few dashes of white pepper on top. Now you are going to combine this with the rice together. Or maybe I choose another way. I will add in the rice here. Alright. Put the rice here. Raise the heat a bit. Maybe some darker color would be nice. Let's add in a bit of dark soy sauce. Not too much. If it's too much, your dish can become bitter, yeah? Alright, immediately it becomes a nicer caramelized color. And now we can put the whole thing into the rice cooker. Alright, so I put the rice just now into my rice cooker. Now we are going to add in some water. There are basically 2 cups of rice just now, so I'm adding in 2 cups of water. Alright, approximately 1 to 1, or the water can be slightly more, 10% more is fine. Then I will even out everything. Close the lid. On the power. Alright, I'm choosing white rice and soft rice, and then I press start. Then let my rice cooker do the cooking. It will take probably about 40 minutes. Then it is done. One simple but very flavorful dinner for all. Alright, my rice cooker has been calling for me. This is after approximately 40 minutes. Yeah, when you're using this kind of rice cooker, at least 40 to 45 minutes. It can't be very quick. Wow, wow, so super fragrant, so super fragrant. You probably can't see it from your angle, but let me take it out from you. Then you can see clearly. Wow, hot, hot, hot. Let me take it out. Alright, here's Appa very simple gai choy man fan, gai choy rice stew. Yeah, if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Would be good to eat it together with some sambal. Ooh, nice. Bye bye.